Hello and welcome. Today, we're excited to introduce the FOLUBAN Small Bookshelf, a 3-tier open bookshelf that perfectly combines rustic wood and metal for a stylish addition to any small space. This minimalist bookshelf features a simple clean-lined design with a charming rustic wood grain surface, adding elegance and warmth to your home decor. It's incredibly easy to assemble, taking just 15 minutes with all hardware and instructions included, ensuring a hassle-free setup. Built with a sturdy and durable structure, the thick MDF shelves and robust metal frame can support up to 125 pounds per panel, providing both stability and longevity. The open-side frames not only create a sense of lightness but also maximize your space, making it ideal for small areas while keeping your room organized. And with our dedicated customer care assurance, we promise to respond to any issues within 24 hours, backed by a 12-month quality support for your peace of mind. Transform your space with the FOLUBAN Small Bookshelf and experience the perfect blend of functionality and style. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.